all they got in my eye.
Ready? Ready? Come on, let's go clean ourselves up.
Oh.
Oh shit.
No, you're not lesbians.
I'm gonna swing the floor.
Well, I'm the lesbian. She's straight.
Wait. Get this. No, get this.
What?
Didn't work. Bro, your mama's so old, her breast milk is... Come on. We're gonna go clean ourselves up.
Your mom might kill us.
Not really, she can use flour anymore. Holy shit!
Holy shit. Grab the wall, wiggle like you're gonna make your ass fall off.
Shit's in my belly button!
It's in your belly.
My eyelashes. Look at that!
It was in my nose. I wonder, like, what it's pointing at. It's probably, like, pointing at you.
It's in my hair.
It's in your eyes.
You gotta put this on Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
Especially this one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, thank you.
It's like up your nose.
No. No. It's meant for children. It's not child appropriate. Holy shit. Jinx.
Is your name?
It is my name.
I think it's in my hair. My head's itchy now.
There's a crick on my nose.
The camera just got your tits.
I'm pretty sure I didn't put on any white eyeshadow. My hair's all fucked up.
Oh my god. I'm gonna turn the floor.
My lips are all dried out. My phone is like half white, half black, so it's gray.
Racist little shit.
Your belly button. Just like a pound of flour in your belly button.
At least I'm not a concrete belly button like my brother.
No, you're a baker belly button. Like your mother. The fuck?
What challenge are we gonna do now? What you're gonna do?
Well, I don't know. What do we have in the house to do? This is the place where the demon lives. His name is Alfred. Yeah.
My mom almost shot Cody when you did that. Oh, you're gonna do the coffee challenge.
Oh yeah, coffee challenge.
I might as well just not stop the camera.
Yeah. Okay, you are putting a flower on my lips. Gloves on squish. There we go. I did this before, and I'm telling you right now, it's fucking gross. I thought there was a milk carried milk in the cup.
Nope. It's a box of mac and cheese. Butterscotch. You're gonna do a butterscotch challenge.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I used to use that in muffins. There's alcohol in that, by the way. There's alcohol and butterscotch.
Really?
Yep.
Let's get drunk.
It's either butterscotch or vanilla that has alcohol in it. Oh, it's vanilla. You gotta do it. Okay. It's butterscotch.
Tastes like alcohol. So it just vibrated.
Mm.
Was mine or yours?
I don't know. Okay. Coffee?
Oh, that was gross.
Coffee or vanilla?
Milk.
Milk.
It tastes a lot better than butterscotch. I do not say that. Actual butterscotch tastes good, just an extract. Just a little powdery. It's worse than when I
Mine.
bleach my hair and I have bleach powder all over my shoulders. I feel it. It's all over you too.
Okay, coffee time.
That's about as much coffee as I use in a cup of coffee. You probably use more.
Yes.
I used to use more.
2, 1. Okay. Again.
Ah.
Ugh. 3, 2.
Dick.
3, 2, 1. Tastes like shit, doesn't it?
Hmm?
Tastes like shit, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what those are. They're like chiclets. Or some kind of like things. Oh, chickpeas. You're like, ew. No, you gotta look at the camera. It's like some fucking took a shit in your mouth. You had to post this on Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
Ew, did you just swallow it? Oh, that's nasty.
I'm gonna have a caffeine rush.
Yeah.
I don't put milk in my coffee, but oh well. I need sugar. Please tell me this is sugar. Yes.
Holy shit! My mom's gonna kill me. How'd the flower get over there?
Because you walked over there. I still have flour at my nose.
The vanilla.
Seriously?
It has alcohol in it.
What? Pure alcohol can kill you. I have 50% alcohol at my house and it can kill me. And I have it in my mouthwash. I usually put this in my coffee. Oh my god. I need tissue. Something.
You can't pause this, can you? No. Good on mine. Gonna do it?
My nose has flour in it. Oh, I have like 10 minutes left. I filmed on it. I better chug some dish liquid.
Okay.
No, that could kill me.
Are you spot next Christine done?
Huh?
Next Christine done? No, she like drank Javex and then ate kitty litter. That's what she did.
I know.
She died.
From musky driver, dumbass. I think I know.
Come on.
My brother did torture the poor fucking woman. Did everything to her house. You know? I don't know what it tastes like. I'll put some boba in. Oh, it don't taste that bad.
Go. Do it.
Really?
Yep.
It's like taking a shot of vanilla vodka.
Ugh, that is so fucking strong. Do it. Should do it with soy sauce.
Unless you do too. You drink soy sauce.
I do though.
Look at my bra.
It's gonna point the camera that way. No.
I have vanilla all day. My titties. Oh, that tastes like vodka. I love vodka. That tastes like a mixture of vodka and moonshine. Oh,
That was attractive.
What the fuck is that?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Yep. I believe. Shitload of brown sugar.
Do you want to eat brown sugar with me?
No.
You don't like brown sugar? I used to put it on my...
There's breadcrumbs in it.
Why is there breadcrumbs in the brown sugar?
I don't know.
Oh, I know why.
Why?
Keep it dry.
What?
Yep. See? Bread's all hard and crusty because it soaked up all the moisture.
That's weird.
A lot of people actually do that, I believe.
I was like, what the fuck? You gonna eat brown sugar?
Yep.
We're just like looking for stuff that you can eat. You should eat some baking soda. With some vinegar.
No, thank you.
I'm gonna do an experiment.
At least, hold this. At least my teeth will be white after.
I want to do baking powder.
Okay.
Now I need a glass.
Use this mug.
Huh?
Use this mug. I'll just rinse it up. Otherwise, this is pickle powder for popcorn.
No, wait, I need to use the glass.
This burns more than the fucking cinnamon. This shit, I don't know what's in it, but it's like it has fucking acid in it. Tell you that right now. What the fuck are you doing over there? Put more. All of it. Can I put the rest in?
No.
Okay.
I have to sneeze though.
Oh my gosh. That is a lot of baking soda. It's a lot of baking soda. There's like a quarter full of baking soda.
And
Is that vinegar? Vinegar. That had to be white vinegar.
I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. You ready?
Yes.
I should really do this in the sink. Oh shit, look at it!
We need more vinegar. Go get it.
It's rising. I made a volcano. Another cup.
I've always wanted to do this. I've never seen it in person. Stir it. Oh yes, but with a butcher's knife.
Oh, that's so fucking nasty. There's like smoke coming from it. Oh, it smells so disgusting.
It does.
You're not getting in the camera. That smells so bad.
I know.
So glad your camera cannot pick up smells.
Smell vision. 4D smell vision.
Look at it right here. Look at it right there. No, I mean inside the glass. It was like bubbling up. It's right there. Oh, I was gonna leave that. I did it in a bag once. The bag melted.
Seriously?
The bag
My sink is in the bathroom.
melted. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna like wash the dishes.
You sure about that?
Do a cocoa. Do cocoa.
No, man. I need more vinegar. Go get the vinegar. Oh my gosh, it's still fizzing in the cup.
Why does vinegar smell like sweaty old socks?
Cause your face.
Because my face.
Your beautiful face.
Do a cocoa.
I don't know. Go get your Febreze or something. It's all off my hand. Okay. Did you just film your sister?
Yes, but I didn't really get her because it's dark. Oh, my sister's asleep on the couch.
Would she like kill you if we put this on YouTube?
No.
What?
Probably. No.
Even if you add water.
Okay, do this.
What?
Do that.
Eat cocoa?
She's going
Okay.
to eat cocoa.
Cocoa's gross unless you're sugar with it.
Exactly. Now eat it.
Bitch. I'm way for sugar. Oh wait.
What do you want?
Come here.
Put it in the Easter basket.
I should have collar off and drag you over it.
Did that just say Wilfie?
I don't know. She's purring already. She loves me. She's a vibrator. Kiki.
Okay, come on. Hit it. Where are you going? Oh. Come on. Come on. This is like 20 minutes.
What?
20 minutes long.
Seriously?
1867.
3, 2, 1. You're welcome, internet. I farted in front of a gajillion people. Smell that shit.
Stop me in the eye with a spoon.
What did you do with the spoon moves? Smell that camera. Smell it.
Stab me in the eye with a spoon.
Wait.
No, 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 no. Just eat it.
Oh, you're all chocolate. Gross too.
Ow! Okay, you ready?
Says I'm the lesbian best friend, don't it?
No, not really.
Okay. It'd be gross. That, and that mixed together.
You just do that after you do it. And after you do the flour. You never actually ate the flour. You just threw it at me. No, not again, not again, not again. No, wait. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. She's like,
Okay, I didn't throw that much at you. Throw it yourself.
Come on, move.